YouTube, what is good? Welcome back to yet another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can achieve getting 4K slow-mo video out of your Sony a6400. So today is going to be quite a short video. With that said, let's just hop straight into the video. So you're probably wondering, how's that even possible? Because we all know the Sony a6400 does not have slow-mo 4K. It can only go up to 30 frames a second. Well, it's actually a cool trick, and if you stick around, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Probably wondering, does it even look good or is it even legit? So that's what I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna let you be the judge of that. If you don't mind, go down in the comments and let me know, does it actually look good or am I just being stupid? Okay, cool. So there you have it. You've seen the footage. Now let me show you how we can get it done. So let's just hop into the computer and let's take it from there. So you're probably wondering how we're going to achieve getting slow-mo in 4K. And the easiest answer is we're just going to upscale the full HD video that is 120p up to 4K. So what you're going to do is, if you're already loaded up and you have your 4K sequence ready, you can just drag and drop your HD video that is in 120 or 100 frames a second, drop it into the timeline and slow it down, and that's where we are now. So slow it down. Let me play it back for you. You can see it's super smooth. However, it looks weird because it's super small compared to the actual frame. So that's what we're gonna do now. So what you're gonna do is click on your clip that you wanna upscale and go to the effects control. There you will see by motion, there's a little scale option. So what you're gonna do is go to the 100 and just make it 200. So we're doubling it. And with that, you can see it fits into the 4K frame now. Let me just do this for all the clips in this sequence and we can play it back and see what it looks like. Okay, cool. So all the clips in this sequence has been upscaled to 4K, and I can really say the quality of the full HD on these Sony cameras is really amazing, because you can really get away with having slow-mo 4K on your Sony a6400 by just doing this trick. Because you saw the footage, and in my personal opinion, you don't really notice it because most people watch YouTube on their phone, and most of our videos we make go to YouTube or social media. And with the compression of those apps, you really don't notice a thing. So it's really a cool and easy trick to just get a higher quality in your videos by, if you want to start making 4K videos or whatever the case is. So let's have a look at what it looks like, and that's basically all you need to know to achieve this. So okay, cool. So that's a really quick and easy way you can achieve 4K slow-mo videos on your Sony a6400. I really hope you enjoyed this little video, and if it helped, I would love to know. So leave a comment down below. If you have any thoughts or questions, I'm there answering everything if someone asks something. So with that said, thank you for sticking around, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tutorials and camera related content. So with that said, hope to see you in the next video. Stay blessed.